Unit 7, General Revision. Okay. Pay attention with me about question number 1. Complete the following. Number 1. 1 subtract by 2 over 9. We can convert 1 here like denominator 9 over 9. Subtract by 2 over 9. Write 9 in denominator, 9 minus 2 equals 7. Then the result will be 7 over 9. Number 2. 1 subtract by space equal 3 over 4. 1 equal 4 over 4. Subtract by what equal 3 over 4. We can write 4 in the numerator and 4 minus 3 it will be 1. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Then we must write here 1 over 4 in the space. Number 3. If 2 over 5 plus y equal 3 over 5, then y will be equal what? We can find the difference between two numbers, 3 over 5, subtract by 2 over 5. Then y will be equal 3 minus 2, 1, and write 5 in the numerator. Number 4. We can find the difference between two models here. First, convert to fractions. We have two parts colored here. 1, 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Subtract by here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One part colored from 4 parts. Then you can find the difference between them by write the least common multiplication between two denominators. The least common multiplication between two denominators here it will be 12, because 4 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then 3 times 4 it will be 12, and 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 times 4 equal 8. 3 times 1 equal 3. Then the difference between them we can write 12 in the numerator, and 8 minus 3 it will be 5. Result will be 5 over 12. Next question. Number 5. We must add two fractions here. We have half about question 5, 1 and 2. Question number 5. We have 1 over 2 plus 1, 2, 3. One part colored from 3 parts. Then you can write 6 in the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 1 equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2. And then you can add them. 3 plus 2 it will be 5. 5 over 6. Question 6. If 5 over 9 subtract by a equal 2 over 9. In the value of a equal, we can write 9 in the numerator, and 5 minus 2 it will be 3. 3 over 9 you can sample this fraction by dividing by 3 numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, and 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the result here will be 1 over 3. Number 7. The least common multiples of two denominators, 4 over 5 and 2 over 25. We know 25 can be divided by 5. Then the least common multiples of two denominator here it will be equal 25. You want to find the least common multiplication. Question 8. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2. We can write here the least common multiplication between 2 and 5 it will be 10. 2 and 5 we called it relatively prime numbers because 2 and 5 can't be divided by a number without 1. Then 5 and 2 relatively prime numbers. Then 5 times 2 equal 10, 1 times 2 equal 2. 2 times 5 equal 10, 1 times 5 it will be 5. Then write 10 in the numerator, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then the result will be 7 over 10. Question number 9. 1 subtract by 2 over 7. Convert 1 here, 7 over 7, subtract by 2 over 7. Write 7 in the numerator, and 7 minus 2 it will be 5. The result will be 5 over 7. Number 10. We write the given fraction 2 over 5 and 3 over 10 with like denominator. We can convert 2 over 5, write 10 in the numerator, because we have 5 and 10. 10 can divide it by 5. Then 10 is the least common multiplication between two denominators 10 and 5. Okay, 2 times 5 equal 10 and 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the result will be 4 over 2. Then the result here will be 4 over 10 and 3 over 10. Next question, number 11. We have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. You can write the least common multiplication between 5 and 3, zero product, 15. 2 times 5 equal 10 and 3 times 1 equal 3, and then you can add them. 10 plus 3 equals 13. The result will be 13 over 15. Number 12. 1 subtracted by space equal 5 over 7. We know 1 equals 7 over 7. Subtracted by what equal 5 over 7. We can write 7 in numerator and 7 minus 5 equal 2. Write 2 over 7 in the space here. Question 13. 1 subtract 5 over 9. We can convert 1 here like denominator, 9 over 9. Subtract by 5 over 9. Write 9 in numerator, 9 minus 5 equal 4. Then the result will be 4 over 9. Question 14. If 3 over 4 equal b over 16, then we can find the value of b. 4 times 4 equals 16, and then 3 times 4 equals 12. Then the value of b equals 12. Question 15. The smallest like denominator of 2 and 3 and 3 over 4 is 12. We have 2 over 3 and 3 over 4. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominators 3 and 4. It will be a third product. 3 times 4 equals 12. Because 3 and 4 we call that relatively prime numbers. 3 and 4 can't divide by any numbers without 1. Then the least common multiplication between them will be their product. Question 16. The least common multiplication of two denominator, two fractions, we have 2 over 5 and 1 over 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. Then the least common multiplication between 5 and 3 it will be their product equal 15. Question 17. If 3 over 5 equal a over 25, we can find the value of a. 5 convert 25 by product by 5, and 3 times 5 it will be 15. In the value of a here it will be 15. Question 16. The simplest form of 6 over 12, it will be what? We know 6 half of 12, then the result will be 1 over 2. Question 19. The simplest form of 6 over 8. We can divide it by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Question 20. The simplest form of 24 over 18. We can divide it by highest common factor between two numbers. It will be 6. Divided by 6 in numerator and denominator. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Okay, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 4 over 3 we called it improper. You must convert from proper to mixed number. Write 3 in the numerator. 4 divided by 3 equals 1, and the remainder 1. Okay, question 20. 24 over 18. We can simplify it by this method. Okay. Complete with me. We have here. Okay. If you want to find the value of a here, he give us in the example 24 over 18 was equal a over 3. You want to find the value of a. We know 18 divided by 6 equal 3. Then 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then the value of a here it will be 4. Okay. Next question. 21. 1 over space equal 2 over 8. Write here times 2, here times 2. 1 times 2 equal 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. Then we must write 4 in space here. Question number 22. The least common multiplication of two numerators. We have 3, 1 over 3 and 5 over 12. 12 can divide it by 3. Then 12 is the least common multiplication between them. Then the least common multiplication is 12. Next example. Question 23. 5 over 7 equal a over 35. Then the value of a equal what? 5 times 7 equals 35, and then 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the result here will be equal 25. Question 24. 1 subtract 3 over 4 equal, we can write 1 here, convert 4 over 4, subtract by 3 over 4. 4 minus 3 equal 1, write 4 in the numerator. Result will be 1 over 4. Question number 2. Number 1, simplest form of 4 and 2 over 10. You can simplify it, write whole numbers here, and 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. The result will be 4 and 1 over 5. Next question. Question number 2. Simplest form of 36 over 48. We can divide it by 12 numerator and denominator, have common factor between them. Then the result will be 36 divided by 12 equal 3 and 48 divided by 12 equal 4. And the result will be 3 over 4. Question number 3. The smallest like denominator of 2 over 3 and 3 over 4. We can find like denominator here by write least common multiplication between 3 and 4. It will be their product 12, because 3 and 4 we called it relatively prime numbers. Question here number 4. The equivalent of the fraction 2 over 8, you can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. t divided by 2 equal 1 and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And the result will be 1 over 4. Shows 1 over 4. Question number 5. The least common multiplication of two denominator of third and 2 over 5. We can find the least common multiples to denominator. It will be 0 product. It will be 15. 3 times 5 equal 15. Question number 6. 16 over 24. You can simplify it in the simplest form. Write 3 here. 24 divided by 8 equal 3, and 16 divided by 8 equal 2. Then the result will be 2 over 3. Question 7. 3 over 7 subtract by what equal 1 over 7. We can write 7 in the numerator. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 2 over 7. The sum of 2 over 3 plus 7 over 9. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators here 9. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 2 equal 6. 1 times 9 equal 9. 1 times 7 equals 7. And then write 9 in the numerator. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Convert it, write 9 in the numerator. 13 divided by 9 equal 1 and the remainder 4. The result will be 1 and 4 over 9. Question number 9. 3 over 5. Convert to space over 100. Be here times 20 and here times 20. 3 times 20 equals 60. Then you can write 60 here up in the space. Write 60. Question number 10. The fraction 15 over 20 equivalent to what? 15 over 20, you can simplify it by divided by 5 numerator and numerator. 15 divided by 5 equal 3 and 20 divided by 5 equal 4. The equivalent here 3 over 4. Letter C. Question 11. 3 over 4 subtract by 1 over 3. We can write the least common multiplication between them 12. 3 times 3 equal 9. 4 times 1 equal 4. And then write 12 in the numerator. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. The result will be 5 over 12. Question 12. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus space equal 1. We can eat them here. Write 7 numerator. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 plus over 7 plus what equal 1. We can convert 1 here to be 7 over 7 like denominator, and then write 7 here. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then the result here in the space we must write 2 over 7. Okay, we must write 2 over 7 in the space. Question 13. If 7 over 14 plus k equal 1, then k equal what? We can convert 1 here like denominator. We can write here 14 over 14, because 14 over 14 equal what? Equal 1. Then k will be equal 1 subtracted by 7 over 14. K equal 14 over 14 subtracted by 7 over 14. Okay, 7 over 14 is a half. 1 subtracted by half equal half. Or you can write 14 in the numerator. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 7 over 14 it will be 1 over 2. And the value of k here it will be 1 over 2. It will be half. Question 14. Complete with me question number 14. If 4 over 7 plus 1 over 3 equal x over 21 plus 7 over 21, we want to find the value of x. We have here question 14, 4 over 7 plus 1 over 3 equal x over 21 plus 7 over 21. In this example, we want to find the value of x. 7 over 21 is equal 1 over 3. Okay, because 7 divided by 7 equal 1, and 21 divided by 7 equal 3. Okay, then this number here, 1 over 3, equivalent to 1 over 3, we can cancel them by us. And then 4 over 7, it will be equal x over 21. Understood? Again, 1 over 3 equal 1 over 3. 7 over 21 equal 1 over 3. There are equality, we can cancel them. And then 4 over 7, it will be x over 21. You can write here 4 over 7 4 over 7 will be equal x over 21. 7 convert 21 by product by 3, and then 4 convert to x by product by 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. Then value of x here it will be 12. X here will be equal 12. Question 15. We have 1 over 4 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8 equal space. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator 8. 3 times 4 equal 8, 2 times 1 equal 2. And write 3 over 8 here. And then write 8 in the numerator. 3 plus 2 will be 5, then the result will be 5 over 8. Question 16. If 5 over 8 equal x over 40, you can find the value of x by product here 5 and here product by 5. 5 times 5, 25. Then the value of x here 25. Question 17. The least common multiplication of two denominator of 5 over 6 and 3 over 8 is what? We can find the least common multiplication between them. 8 can be divided by 6. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 can be divided by 6. 16 plus 8 equal 24. Then the least common multiplication between 6 and 8, it will be 24. Or you can write here 6 equal 2 product by 3, and 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2, and then drawing circles here. Write 2 product by 3 product by 2 product by 2. Then the result will be here 24. Then the least common multiples of two denominators, it will be 24. Question 18. We have 2 and 25 over 40 is equivalent to what? We can write 2 here and divided by 5 numerator and denominator. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Then the result will be 2 and 5 over 8. Choose the letter C. Question 19. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators. It will be 6. So 3 and 2 equal relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiplication between them 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. Write 6 in the numerator. 3 plus 2, it will be 5. The result will be 5 over 6. Question 20. We have 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6. You can write 6 in the numerator. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 equal 12. And then 12 divided by 6, it will be equal to. Question number 3 answers the following questions. We have word problems here. Question number 1. Asma put 5 over 7 kilogram of oranges. Hassan, okay. Hassan bought 5 or 7 kilogram of oranges. He used 2/3 kilogram as juice. What is the remainder of juice or orange? What is the remainder of oranges here? We can find the remainder by finding the difference between two fractions. We can write the difference between them. Write this number here. 5 over 7 subtract by 2 over 3. Then we can write the remainder. It will be equal 5 over 7 subtract by 2 over 3. And then you can write the least common multiplication between them. It will be their product, 21. 3 times 5 equal 15, and 7 times 2 equal 14. Then the difference between them will be 1 over 21. Result here, 1 over 21. And write kilograms, remainder of oranges. Question number 2. Maha has half kilogram of flour. She used 2 over 5 kilogram of it. What is the rest with her? We can find the rest by finding the difference here. What is the rest with her? We can find the difference. The rest will be equal 1 over 2 subtract by 2 over 5. Write least common multiplication between them equal 10. 1 times 5 equal 5, 2 times 2 equal 4, then the difference between them 1 over 10. Then she raised 1 over 10 kilogram. Question number 3. Karim walked 5 kilometer and سامح walked 30 kilometer more. What is the distance that? Okay, what's the distance that سامح walked? We can write 1/5 plus 1/3 because Karim walked 50 kilometer and Sameh walked 30 kilometer more. You can eat them to find what Sameh walked. Question number 3. What Sameh walked, right? Fifth plus third. Write the least common multiplication between them. It will be 15, right? 15 in the numerator. 5 times 3 equals 15. And then 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 1 times 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 1 times 5 equals 5. And then the result will be 8/15. And write kilometer here. This is unit. It's the last question in unit 7.